know that love in marriage can be tricky because it's not easy to maintain. Love requires hard work. It's one thing to say you love someone, but it's another thing to put that word into practice. Love is an action word. There is no love without action. But how many people can truly match their words with actions? Perhaps the way you loved your spouse at the beginning of your marriage is no longer the same. Things have changed. Your love has dwindled drastically, and it's giving you concern. Your husband no longer gives you attention. Your wife no longer respects you. There are issues with finances, sex, parenting, in-laws, house chores, and other responsibilities. Petty things that never used to be an issue before are now sources of conflict. They have become recurring topics of discussion. You are gradually becoming weary and tired. Things are no longer the way they used to be, I understand. And yes, change is inevitable. These challenges will come, but you both can handle them. You can grow together in love. You can learn to adapt and adjust. You can compromise and create space for each other to grow and flourish in love. I know it's not easy, but it is possible. You can do it. We cannot become better if we do not grow together. We cannot improve if we do not allow each other to express ourselves and learn from one another. I want you to understand that both of you have a mission together. You have destinies that must align and work in harmony. Yes, you can make it work. I believe in you. Maybe you are thinking of leaving your marriage or even leaving your children. Please, think again. Endure for the sake of peace in your marriage. Let love be rekindled in your home. If you are going through abuse, whether it's physical, emotional, or psychological, please report it immediately to a reliable person and let the issue be addressed. In other cases, if it's not complex, there might not be a need to get people involved if you can both resolve your issues amicably. Challenges are normal in marriage. And where don't we have challenges in life? They are part of life. Challenges help us grow. They help us get better. They make us stronger and wiser. I know it won't be easy going through them, but in the end, they will surely yield good results. I don't want you to give up yet. I don't want you to lose hope. Your marriage can succeed. Your family can grow in love. Let this season of love be a refreshing one for you and your spouse. Let your love be rekindled and your hopes reassured. Let your commitment and trust in each other be renewed, and your visions and goals be fulfilled. I see happiness, success, joy, good health, and blessings in your family because of the great love in your marriage. Congratulations, and God bless you kindly. Share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. Read next. Freedom, you can watch this program on YouTube app S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Will, you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get books on Amazon, Amazon Books, check out our website. Wordflix Publishers if you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony. I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Supercharge your faith, 7 proven ways to transform your faith life. 2. Making 2025 your best year yet. 3. Africa's nuclear weapon. 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.